While you can get fresh fruits and veggies at your local farmer's market, there's nothing quite like hand picking it yourself. For our next four-state staycation, KOAM photojournalist Leanne Mandelbaum takes us to the Robertson family blueberry farm, where you can get that hands-on experience.
So we are just south of Joplin, and this is Robertson Family Farm. The farm has been here for about 20 years. We purchased it about 8 years ago. So this is truly a family farm. My in-laws own the farm. My husband and I work it. Also, we just have other family members who come out and help. So it's just it's a family-owned blueberry farm. We have buckets over here on a table. We also have belts. So some people like to put their bucket on a belt so they can pick with two hands. So two-handed picking. They go out into the field, they find blueberries, they pick them, and they come back, weigh them up, and we send you home with a bag of berries. We have 4 different kinds of blueberries. So it's like apples. They all taste like a blueberry, but they have a little bit different flavor to them. Kids are really territorial about their berries, so we let them bag their own berries. So we just put it over the top of the bucket and pour those berries down into a bag and dirty dishes. And then we go over to the weighing station. So then we just stick these berries right here on the scale, and they're $3 a pound for what you make, and so that's going to be about $6. So there's no ticks or chiggers or thorns or anything like that. So it's kind of like going to a park. Most kids love blueberries. So it's a good thing to just come out and, you kind of let the kids run around. It's important for kids to see where their food comes from. Truly, the difference in taste is amazing. The ones you get from the store, you think they taste great, and then you have a fresh one and you're like, oh my goodness, this is a blueberry. And blueberries themselves, I mean, it takes a good couple of years for them to even be established as a bush. I mean, and so this is a long-term commitment. This isn't something that you're going to plant and be able to pick off of the next year. So, I mean, it takes a couple years for them to get established. So, we're in it for the long haul.